Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Azure Blob Storage and how to use it. Azure Blob Storage is Microsoft object storage solution for the cloud. Blob storage is optimized for storing massive amounts of unstructured data. Unstructured data is data that does not adhere to a particular data model or definition, such as text or binary data. Azure Blob Storage. Well, Blob Storage is actually designed for serving images or documents directly to a browser, storing files for distributed access, streaming video and audio, writing to log files, storing data for backup and restore, disaster recovery, and archiving, storing data for analysis by an on-premises or Azure hosted service. Well, users or client applications can access objects in blob storage via HTTP or HTTPS from anywhere in the world. Objects in the blob storage are accessible via the Azure Storage REST API, Azure PowerShell, Azure CLI, or an Azure Storage Client Library. Client libraries are available for different languages including .NET, Java, Node.js, Python, Go, PHP, and Ruby. In the next video, we will show you how to use the Azure Blob Storage with the Azure portal. And as we have only spent 1.5 minutes on this video, let me just show you my free course regarding Google Cloud Platform, in which you can enroll absolutely for free and have access to all the videos. This is the free course regarding Google Cloud Platform. You can just click on this button, enroll in this free course now, and you will be redirected to a portal to enter your name and email address, and you can set up a password for this portal. You can sign up for free, and as soon as you will sign up, you will have the access onto this course material. And so we have more content coming soon. I'll soonly upload videos regarding the identity access management. After that, I will upload videos for the networking, storage, and the web applications. So please do not forget to enroll on this course. Well, so far we will cover how to create a Windows VM on Google Cloud Platform, how to run an Apache web server on Linux, in GCP, aka Google Cloud Platform, how to create a Windows VM instance, group and instance templates in GCP, what are stored talent nodes, how to create a disk in Google Cloud Platform, how to take a snapshot of a disk in GCP, how to create an image from the disk in GCP, Google Cloud Compute Engine committed use discounts, Google Cloud TPUs. So enroll in this free course, and you will have the access to watch these videos over this portal. And let me know how you are liking this course, so I will add few more videos and any topics that you wanted me to cover regarding GC. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.